Have you ever wondered how to start investing? Let's face it, we've all heard the stories of people amassing fortunes through savvy investments. But what if I told you that investing isn't just a game for the wealthy? In fact, anyone can start investing, even with just a small amount of money. Investing is essentially a way to set your money to work. Instead of letting it sit idle in a bank account, you give it the potential to grow, to multiply, to create wealth over time. It's a way to prepare for a more comfortable future and to make your dreams a reality. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to start. Investing might seem intimidating at first, but once you understand the basics, you'll see it's more accessible than you think. So you may be asking, where do I begin? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, what exactly is investing? Well, think of investing as planting seeds today to harvest fruits tomorrow. It's the act of committing your money or capital to an endeavor, hoping that it will generate an additional income or profit down the line. Let's break it down a bit. You've got different types of investments to choose from. You've got stocks, which represent a piece of ownership in a company. Then, there are bonds, essentially loans you give to the government or a corporation, expecting them to pay you back with interest. And there's also mutual funds. These are a mix of various investments managed professionally. Remember, investing isn't magic or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making your money work for you, growing over time, and building your financial security. Now that we have a basic understanding of what investing is, we can move on to the next step. Before you dive in, it's crucial to set your financial goals. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's all about understanding what you want your money to do for you. Are you saving for a new car, a house, or perhaps your child's education? Or maybe you're looking towards a comfortable retirement. Each of these goals might require different types of investments. Just think of it as a journey. If you're planning a road trip, you don't just jump in the car and start driving. You first decide where you want to go. The same principle applies to investing. Your financial goals are your destination, and your investments are the vehicle that will get you there. Now, it's important to remember that not all vehicles are built the same. A sports car might get you to your destination faster, but it could also be riskier, especially on rough roads. On the other hand, a sturdy SUV might be slower but can handle various terrains with ease. Similarly, some investments like stocks can potentially offer high returns but come with high risks. Others, like bonds, might offer lower returns but are generally considered safer. Your choice of vehicle, or in this case investment, depends on several factors. For instance, your age plays a significant role. If you're young, you might be able to tolerate more risk and hence opt for investment options that offer higher returns. As you get older, you might prefer safer, more stable investments. Your income level also matters. If you have a high income, you might be able to invest more and tolerate higher risks. But if your income is lower, you might need to start with safer, low-risk investments. And let's not forget about your risk tolerance. Some people are natural risk takers, while others prefer to play it safe. It's essential to understand your comfort level with risk before choosing your investments. Once you have clear financial goals, you're ready to create an investment plan. Remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a tailored journey designed to help you reach your financial destination. So, take the time to set your financial goals. It's the first step towards successful investing. Scene script. An investment plan is your roadmap to financial success. Creating an investment plan may seem daunting at first, but it's simpler than it sounds. It's all about making decisions that align with your financial goals, such as how much money to invest, how often to invest, and what types of investments to choose. The first step in creating an investment plan is determining how much money you're willing and able to invest. This could be a percentage of your income, a fixed dollar amount each month, or even a lump sum if you've recently come into some money. Remember, there's no right or wrong amount. What's important is that you're comfortable with the amount you're setting aside, and it doesn't put your daily living expenses at risk. Next, decide how often you want to invest. Some folks prefer to invest a set amount each month, a strategy known as dollar cost averaging. This approach can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market and reduce the risk of making a large investment at the wrong time. Others may choose to invest whenever they have extra money or when they see a good opportunity. Whatever your preference, consistency is key. Finally, you'll need to decide what types of investments to choose. This will largely depend on your financial goals. If you're saving for retirement and have a few decades ahead of you, you might lean towards more aggressive investments like stocks, which have the potential for higher returns. If you're saving for a down payment on a house in 5 years, you might want to stick with more conservative investments like bonds or a high-yield savings account. Remember, each type of investment carries its own set of risks and rewards. It's important to diversify your portfolio to spread out the risk. This means investing in a mix of different types of investments, not putting all your eggs in one basket. Creating an investment plan is a crucial step on your journey to financial success. It gives you a clear path to follow and makes your investment decisions easier. So take some time to ponder on your financial goals, decide how much and how often you want to invest, and choose the types of investments that align with your goals. With a solid investment plan in place, you're ready to start investing. Now, where should you put your money? Well, the answer isn't as simple as stuffing it under your mattress. Instead, you'll want to place it in an investment account that aligns with your financial goals. First, let's talk about brokerage accounts. These are like your gateway to the world of investing. They allow you to buy and sell a wide variety of investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Brokerage accounts are typically flexible, with no restrictions on when you can withdraw your money. However, they don't offer any tax advantages, meaning you'll have to pay taxes on any investment gains each year. On the other hand, we have retirement accounts. These are designed to help you save for, well, retirement. There are several types of retirement accounts, but we'll focus on the two most common: traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRAs allow you to make contributions with pre-tax dollars, meaning you get a tax deduction today. However, you'll have to pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. Roth IRAs work in the opposite way. You contribute with after-tax dollars, but then your money grows tax-free, and you can make withdrawals in retirement tax-free too. So, how do you choose the right account? Well, it all comes down to your investment goals. If you're saving for a short-term goal, like a vacation or a down payment on a house, a brokerage account might be your best bet. It provides the flexibility you need to access your money when you want. But if you're saving for a long-term goal, like retirement, then a retirement account is the way to go. The tax advantages can really add up over time, turning a small investment today into a substantial nest egg in the future. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your financial situation, your goals, and your risk tolerance all play a part in this decision. With the right investment account, you're ready to start buying investments. So let's get started, shall we? It's time to take the plunge and buy your first investment. So you've set your financial goals, crafted your investment plan, and chosen your investment account. Now it's time to actually buy your first investment. This may feel like a daunting step, but remember, every seasoned investor was once in your shoes, making their first purchase. Let's start with researching potential investments. This is where you dig deep and get to know the companies or assets you're considering. Look at their past performance, their plans for the future, and their financial health. Read news articles, analyst reports, and financial statements. It's like doing a background check before a first date. You want to know what you're getting into. Next, you'll place an order. You can do this through your brokerage account. There are different types of orders you can place, but as a beginner, you'll likely start with a market order or a limit order. A market order buys the investment at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. Now, this is important. When you're just starting out, it's okay to start small. You don't have to put all your money into one investment. In fact, it's smarter to spread your money across different investments. This is called diversification, and it can help reduce your risk. So buy a little of this, a little of that, and watch how they perform. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth steadily over time. So be patient. It's okay to start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence and experience. And remember, every investment comes with risk. There's no guarantee you'll make money. But by doing your research and making informed decisions, you can increase your chances of success. And there you have it. You've made your first investment. Congratulations on taking this significant step towards building your wealth.